Hello guys, thank you in advance for your help. I have an issue where my weapon, whenever I equip, will not delete my old weapons like I want it to. I'm going to in depth go through everything that I have set up, and I tried to clean it up as best as I could to make it as easy to read as possible, and then I'll show gameplay to show what it actually is doing. Let's go right in. Start off with, custom event. Get data table row. Inside there, I just have my data table. I have an outside function, variable telling me which row to pick based off a UI button click on a chest that you will see in the gameplay. That doesn't matter that much. It breaks it. And I pull out all these important aspects, or variables, I guess you would say. And then those then feed throughout all of the blueprint. I'm setting this weapon type index to allow me to use certain skills based off what animation type I'm using. So it's again not a big issue, or not an issue at all. This sets my anim instance, so it changes, from sword and shield to bow to axe to all that. Here is my I'm breaking this weapon delete struct that I am using to check if I have this weapon already equipped, and this also is supposed to help make it to where I can delete the weapon. So it's going to whatever weapon type index I tell it to, based on whatever weapon type I click, and there are 6 weapon types, and so that means there are 6 slots in this array. There are 6 slots. I don't think that'd matter, but do it anyway. There are 6 slots in that array, and it should check if it's empty. If it is empty, then go ahead and use the go ahead and spawn the actor. If it's not empty, then it will go up the other chain. But this is just breaking apart to make it less messy. Anyways, so yeah, it's checking the actor. If I don't already have the weapon equipped, I'm going to start this loop for weapon delete. So I have set up so that initially I had an array of all of the just actor references, and it would delete every actor except for the one you're equipping, which is an issue because I need sword and shield or dual wield axes. So here's my attempt at fixing that. This weapon index starts at 0, and then it's gonna, again, like I just showed you, break it apart and get the first actor. And if this actor has the same anim type, has the same animation type as the one I'm trying to equip, so all the axes have the same animation type, right? Because it's going to have the same animation blueprint. Sword and shield are going to have the same animation type. So if that's true, then all I do is increase this variable to the next index. And this is pretty simple. This is what it does. Takes it +1. Anyways, if it's not true, then it should be deleting the actor. This is the main issue. It is not deleting the actor. It is basically ignoring that, and somehow it's going through the delete actor, and it is just acting normal. And it go ahead and spawns the actor. I can show you to spawn the actor. That's maybe all the way up there. Spawn the actor, and then it sets the static mesh. Here's how I set it. And then it attaches it to the actor's component. Here's how I set it. And then I'm saving that actor inside the struct at the index of that weapon type. Now, what I'm thinking is either something's going on with this destroy actor, or this save actor is not working properly. Now, this part I'm just ignoring the video because it's already getting long, and I haven't even gotten to that point yet. At this point, it's just whenever I spawn a new weapon type, it should be deleting all the old weapon types, but it's not. I can show you what it does do. My inventory is empty right now. I run over up here, and this spawns random skins, and there's all the types of weapons that I have. So I can equip these two dual wield axes, as you can see. Correctly, well, that's good. Then, for a spear, notice I still have the axes. Has the correct animation thing. Okay, weirdly enough, that time it got rid of the spear, but it still wants to keep the axes. And we have this bow. What do we got in our hands this time? We got bow. We have the axes still. Yeah, I can see them right there. Still got the axes. Now we got my spellbook. We have everything but the spear equipped, because it just doesn't work right. And then here is the errors I get. Access none, trying to read property call function break for valid checked actor. So it's calling that an issue with that all the time. So the only one that I deleted is the one that came up with a blue error, which I don't really get. Yeah, I think that's everything. Let's just do a quick little scroll through. This is the custom event loop that was called up there. Right here, if it's false, it's coming back to branch around and decide what it's going to do. Yeah, that's it.